In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the relative strength indicator and add it to TradingView. By the end, you'll have the relative strength index added to your TradingView chart, and you'll know how to adjust its basic settings so it displays the way you want. First, open any chart on TradingView. If you already have a chart on your screen, you're ready to go. This step is just about having a price chart visible because the RSI will attach to whatever chart you have open. You're not changing your data here, just preparing the chart to display an indicator. Next, click the Indicators button at the top of the screen. It looks like a small bar chart icon. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window. If you don't see it right away, glance toward the top toolbar. It's alongside other common chart tools. Clicking it simply opens a menu. Nothing on your chart changes yet. Now type RSI in the search bar inside the Indicators window and select Relative Strength Index. You should see it listed under Built-ins with the full name Relative Strength Index. Click it once. The moment you select it, TradingView adds the indicator to your chart. You can close the Indicators window after selecting it, or leave it open if you plan to add more studies later. At this point, the RSI appears in a new pane below your main price chart. You'll see a line that oscillates between 0 and 100, with horizontal guide levels typically around 70 and 30. This is normal. The RSI measures the speed and magnitude of recent price changes, which traders often use to spot potential overbought or oversold conditions. The 70 line is a common reference for stronger momentum to the upside, and the 30 line is a common reference for stronger momentum to the downside. You don't need to do anything else for the indicator to work. It updates automatically as price moves. If the pane is too small or large, you can drag the border between the price chart and the RSI pane to resize it so it's comfortable to read. Customize the RSI settings if you want. Click the small gear icon next to the RSI name on the left side of the indicator pane. This opens the settings window. Here you can adjust the length, which is the number of periods used in the RSI calculation. The default of 14 is standard and works well for many charts. Reducing the length makes the RSI more sensitive and move faster. Increasing it smooths the line and reduces noise. You can also change colors and line thickness under the Style tab to match your chart theme or improve visibility. As you make changes, the preview updates immediately on the chart, so you can see the effect before you close the settings. If you're unsure about a change, don't worry. You can always switch it back to the default values in the same place. Once that's done, your RSI is added and visible in its own pane, and any optional customizations are applied. From here, you simply watch the RSI line as price updates on the main chart. Remember, you haven't modified your market data or placed any orders. You've only added a visual tool to help analyze momentum. If the indicator ever looks missing, check that you're scrolled to the most recent bars and that the RSI pane is not collapsed. That's it. The Relative Strength Index is now added to your TradingView chart and ready to use with your chosen settings applied and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.